Hey guys, Watchman here. Quick heads up on Hurricane Harvey. There's a couple, no, bear with me. There's a couple webcams, live cams that I'm trying to get on. This is right here on Grand Beach Resort, Isla, or Island Grand Beach Resort, live webcam. I was able to get it going a little while ago. I don't know if it's going to let me now, but we shall see. Hopefully. Okay, yeah. There we go. It's cool they got turtles in their pool, but I think those are just stickers. But as you can see, it's coming in. And just the point of it, you got somebody down here on the sidewalk. Or out there. Looks like somebody out there. Definitely somebody out there. You can see that the live cams are breaking up. All right, we're going to go to another live cam if it'll let me. And we're going to go to I think it was the Galveston, Texas one. Seawall Beach. Okay, now the main part of this storm that's going to hit hard is going to be like Corpus Christi, stuff like that, but it's hitting Galveston already pretty good. So let's see. Come on, baby. Might not let me get this cam now. Oh, let's see. Maybe this wasn't the one. Sorry about this, guys. I'm trying to... No, this must not be the one. I thought it was. Let's see. Maybe... No, it wasn't that. I was pretty sure that that was the one. If not, let me go here. This is the one. Okay, let's try this out. And let's cross our fingers because shit's getting hairy out there. I'm telling you right now. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that's not good. That is not looking good. Jesus. Let's see. Come on, baby. Thanks for bearing with me, guys. There we go. Oh, yeah, it is getting crazy. Let's blow this bitch up. Jeez. That's scary. Now, the swells over there are getting pretty big. Look at the wind. Definitely got a crazy wind going on. Yeah, that's Galveston and the seawall cam. Right down here on this pier, there's like a restaurant and stuff. But, I mean, it's looking crazy. Old boy got the fishing boat hooked up. He says, I'm ready. If floods happen, I'll get on my boat. Excuse me. Well, anyways, it's just a quick update. I'll be doing updates all today and then tonight, and then tomorrow early morning and all the day tomorrow. and until the Conor McGregor fight, and then I'll be watching that. So, all right, guys. God bless all you guys. Please subscribe. This is the Watchman. All your updates, real life feed, unraw and unfiltered. God bless.